In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your finances using QuickBooks. This guide is designed to help you navigate the system and improve your bookkeeping process. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your browser and access the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you're new to QuickBooks, you'll need to create an account first, but assuming you've already set it up, just enter your login details. This step is essential as it gives you access to all the features we'll be discussing today. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen where you'll see a menu panel. From this menu, find and click on the option marked Transactions. This section is crucial as it's where you can view your financial activities and start getting your books in order. Within the Transactions screen, you'll need to go one step further by selecting Bank Transactions. This option allows you to see the details of your bank feeds and is an integral part of managing your financial data in QuickBooks. Ensuring that your bank transactions are correctly recorded and monitored is vital for maintaining accurate records. Next up, you'll be directing your attention to the Match Categorize option. This is the heart of transaction management in QuickBooks. By clicking on this, you can start matching your banking transactions with existing records. This helps to ensure that all your financial movements are accurately reflected in your accounts. Once you're in the Match Categorize section, you have the ability to categorize each of your transactions. Categorizing is a powerful tool that improves the clarity and detail of your financial reports. By assigning each transaction to a specific category, you're organizing your bookkeeping so that everything is easily understandable at a glance. Not only can you categorize existing transactions, but QuickBooks also provides the flexibility to add new accounts for categorization. This feature is perfect if you find that the existing categories don't entirely fit your needs. By creating new accounts, you can tailor your financial records to better suit the specifics of your business or personal accounting requirements. And that wraps up our tutorial on navigating QuickBooks for effective financial management. By following these steps diligently, you'll be on your way to mastering the art of bookkeeping within QuickBooks. Remember that consistent and accurate financial management is the cornerstone of both personal and business success. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made your QuickBooks journey a bit easier. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Happy organizing!